but at the time when Sarah did her portfolio, I used to work with her. And so I'm from Italy. And the way how the university works in Italy is very similar to the UK, so we kind of do the same kind of exams. But I think it's because of UK was part of Europe, and obviously there is an exchange program, so you can go all around Europe and you still have the same type of education. So that is one of the reasons why I'm here today, and it's just to have a different perspective also. And so the idea now is to do a really quick exercise and to use hopefully a building that all of you know about, which is the Guggenheim in Bilbao. And this project is really related to the context. So what me and Sarah were thinking is to answer the criteria 5.1, so that is understanding the relationship between people and buildings, building and the environment, and the need to relate building and the space between them and the human scale, but is a really big credit. So you're just gonna do 5.1, which is the way in which building fits in the local context. At the end, the exercise, you might not know the project. It's more like the thinking behind it. What do you think you need to actually answer this criteria? Which evidence? So it's like you can just write a small paragraph. It's working in group or like bullet points. I'm gonna do like a diagram or a 3D model, or I need some historical context images. I don't know, whatever you can think about, you might need, which evidence you need to cover this criteria. So we'll give you a bit of time, and then I'll do a small presentation of how I think you can cover it and which evidence you might need to cover the criteria. So I'm not going to do it now, because then the exercise is pointless. So, and yeah, have a small discussion, and we are here so you can ask questions, which is probably the most important part, more than the exercise.
Yeah.